Going on, Bob? My name's Kyle. Just wanted to reach out and make you a video that can bring you and your business some value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website so you can drive in more traffic and generate more leads for your business. So I do have 3 tips that I want to share with you today. My first tip is the importance of content and keywords. So Google doesn't care about how awesome websites look. They care about what kind of content that they have on the page. And Google wants to see a lot of content. And the websites that have the most are going to be the ones that have the most authority on that topic. So I recommend that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. And the most important reason to have that much content is because you need to have buyer intent keywords inside your content. So when Google goes and crawls your page, they can find these keywords and they can rank you accordingly in the Google search engine. So this tool here is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool and it buys data from Google. One of the features it allows us to search for buyer intent keywords. These are just keywords that you can put inside your content, and I saw you have location pages as well. You can definitely put these keywords inside your location pages. That way when people search for these keywords in the Google search bar, your website can potentially pop up. So you have Roofing Olathe Ks being searched 50 times a month. You have Roofing Company Olathe being 50 times a month. Roofing Companies. I also looked up KC as well. I mean, you have Roofing Companies Kansas City. That's being searched 600 times a month. Roofing Companies Kansas City 500 times a month. I mean, you have your commercial roofing, and there's all sorts of keywords that you can find and put inside your content. So when people search for these keywords, they can find you. I mean, you're going to find keywords for all your services that you provide and your service areas as well. My second tip for you is backlinks, and backlinks are just as important. It's what gives your website power, and it's what pushes your website to the top of the organic section of Google. And backlinks are links throughout the web that, when clicked on, will bring the user back to your website. It's almost like having a popularity contest, and the person that has the most backlinks wins. However, Google is now leaning more towards quality versus quantity. So they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you. So they want to see backlinks coming from other roofing websites or remodeling websites, home improvement websites that have links linking people back to your website. Now, Ahrefs lets us see what's going on behind the scenes as well, and I do want to mention that there are free tools for backlinks and keyword research. If you just Google backlink checker or keyword finder, you can find the free tools you need to be able to do this yourself. So your website, Arrow Renovation, has a URL of 31. That's how powerful a site is. A domain rating of 18. That's how trustworthy your website is. You have over 115 people coming onto the website each month doing organic search. You're being found for 1,500 keywords, and you have 141 referring domains, giving you a total of 1,350 backlinks. These backlinks here is what's giving you your website your power and your trust, and you want these two numbers to be as high as possible and as close together as possible as well. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. So I looked up what kind of traffic a roofing company in Kansas City is getting. So I just pulled up the Google search bar and typed in roofing in Kansas City. And this is Christian Brothers Roofing. I mean, as you can see, that Kansas City contractor, I mean, they have their buyer intent keywords throughout their content, and they're being found for it and ranked for it as well. So I looked up their numbers. And they have a URL of 40, the power, domain rating of 17, the trust. They have over 2,000 people coming onto their website each month. They're being found for over 3,200 keywords. And they have 382 referring domains, giving them a total of 4,200 backlinks. Now, if these backlinks are good enough to rank their website to the top, it'd be good enough to rank your location page and your website to the top as well. I mean, this is something that you can do with all of your top competitors. You can take all your top competition's backlinks and you can get them linking back to you. If you just go to the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites here has a link linking people back to your website. And like I said, you can do the same thing with yours. You can just go into each individual site. Some, you just might have to create a profile. You can add your website that way. Others, you might have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. Now, my next tip for you is get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack, and that's this area here. It's one of the best spots to be in. 40% of the searches on Google click inside the Google Map Pack. 30% click in the #1 spot in the organic section. So how can you take this top spot here? You need more citations than your top competition has. And all a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of a directory would be places like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So, Bob, I hope this short video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And thank you for watching. You have an awesome week.